Alright, so we just popped this up. It's like one of those flattened pennies by the railroad. Or it come out of the machine. Oh, I'll clean it up. Alright, so our next hole, mind the pin pointer, maybe something fancy. Bringing up about a 53. Oh, not sure. I'll have to clean it up. 2 inches down. Alright, so we dug down probably about 4 inches or so. I believe I see something green right there. Let's pull it out together. Looks like it's going to be a weedy. Can't get a date off it. It's pretty crusted. Pretty crusted, but I'll clean it up. Definitely a weedy. Alright, so this was ringing up a solid 83. I have no idea what this is. What is that? Yeah, wipe it on my jeans here real quick. Not sure. Have to clean it up. I'll get back to you. Cool. Alright. I don't know if you can see that or not. It says 1777 to 1927 Saratoga. It has a man holding a gun. I'll clean it up better. See what happens. Alright, so we're still out here searching. The AT Pro. Another hit about a 85. It was ringing up in the 90s. I think I got some kind of... Not sure what that is. Here we go. That's gonna be a rains guide. I think that's what that is. Nice. I'll take it. Keep on going. Alright, so we got another coin down here. Let's see that or not. Way in the bottom of that plug, right about center. Let's see. Well, it looks like it's going to be a memorial. Oh well. Pretty green. Alright. Alright. So I'm a little farther into the woods here. There's an old foundation right here. Private permission. Got something right here. I'm not sure what it is. It's not perfectly round, but...
What'd you find?
I'm not sure.
Huh?
Just be a flattened piece of something, but... So I just dug that little flat thing here, not sure what it is. And look at here. It's going to be a pocket watch. Sweet. Cool. Alright. So that one piece was there, that flattened piece of something. Got the pocket watch here. What is this? 70s Zupets, 1800s. Ouch.